Welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are continuing our bread baking series, and we are making cheese crackers. My children have been asking about Goldfish crackers, and I have told them they don't sell them here because they saw them on YouTube. Thank you, YouTube, for being all over the world. However, it sometimes has its negative sides, and this is one of them. No, we don't have Goldfish crackers or Cheez-its in Germany. Let's change that. So we are going to make our own. So let's get started.
Lots and lots of cheese. We need 2 cups or 240 grams of grated sharp cheddar cheese, 1.5 cups or 170 grams of flour, half a tablespoon of sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon paprika, a 1/4 teaspoon kosher salt, half a cup or 125 grams of cold butter, 3 tablespoons cold water. Make sure your cheese is very finely grated. The finer, the better. In fact, this recipe works great in a food processor. I just don't have one. First, combine the cheese and all dry ingredients, flour, sugar, paprika, and salt. Then cut in the butter. I thought I would try out using a cheese grater for the butter today, but because of how it sticks together, I probably won't use this method again. But just cut in the butter any way you prefer. Add the water. It's easiest to combine using your hands if you aren't using a food processor. The dough should stick together nicely. Split the dough into 2 pieces and chill them in the fridge, wrapped in plastic wrap. Chill them about an hour. Roll the dough out as thin as you can get it without splitting the dough. Now you can literally cut them into any shape you want. Afterwards, my girls and I used some cutters to make some pretty shapes and they all worked. But the easiest way is to cut them into squares. For pure aesthetic reasons, I'm using a ravioli cutter. Now, these do need holes to keep them from bubbling up in any one spot or not getting completely cooked through, so add holes wherever there are larger areas of dough. Place the crackers onto a lined baking sheet with a little bit of space between them. Sprinkle with salt. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius for 18 to 20 minutes, or until just starting to brown. Look at these beautiful crackers. They are crispy and crisp up a bit more as they cool. They are full of cheesy flavor and taste very similar to Goldfish or Cheez-its. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakerin germany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes, hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload a new video.